This community is really special.
Doesn't matter what your background is, everyone fits in the society.
I'm driven by curiosity.
I want to find answers to so many questions about the world.
For me, joining the society was an obvious choice.
I'm proud to take what I've learnt and inspire young people.
I feel like I'm able to create change that goes beyond my own work.
The society's opened up so many opportunities for me.
Learning about our world is invaluable.
I'm getting closer to realising where that could take me.
It's great to see research, people and collections flourish together.
I know that I'm helping the next generation of geographers get the help they need to succeed.
I really value being around passionate people.
I'm not afraid to challenge ideas.
I'm continually surprised by new discoveries.
I feel able to advocate for change and tackle society's biggest issues.
I am a graduate.
Data analyst.
Archaeologist and ethno-historian.
Teacher.
Geospatial consultant.
And I'm inspired.
Connected.
Motivated.
I'm a geographer.